Hello guys, it's me, it's your boy Rubber Scar here with another Ratchet and Clank video episode thingy part. It's not the finale, but I lost track at this point what episode it is. Anyway, so I tried making, this is the second time I've done the same video, not because of recording issues or anything, but because the entire, because on my, I do 30-minute videos, and my entire 30-minute video, I was stuck on this trespasser thingy, okay? Because for some reason I was like this. Watch. See, I couldn't, because they kept blocking each other. But then that's when I realized, because like, watch, you have that right there, right? Right. And then you have one right, see, it blocks it, but then when you go like, no. You go like that, it goes. But then when you go back, it blocks it. And I'm like, oh, snaps. And it took me 24 minutes to remember this. So now I'm going to try it again. This time it shouldn't take it as long. God. Oh. That took forever. Okay, because look, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's only 5 things, which means 2 of them are useless. And I plan to say that these 2 are the useless ones. So turn those off. Okay. Oh, oh, oh! Come on! Oh, it's this one that keeps freaking throwing me off. There's only so many places the second one can go to. I know this. It can only go right here. No, it can't. It can only go right here. This is the only place number 2 can go to. Okay? Which means it's all up to the other ones. Let's go! Oh my god! Oh my god! That took me 24 minutes to do, and I couldn't even complete it. Oh my god, that middle one, that one that like kept getting in the way, that can only go in one position, that was the one I had to turn on.
Entire empire using your galaxy's wasted planets. I suppose this will leave any of your citizens. Oh my god. Dead.
Oh my god, I can't believe that worked. Oh, I feel so good now. I even looked up a walkthrough and couldn't find nothing, and I completed that in 3 minutes. Probably 4. I'm timing myself, as you know. As you should know. Oh my god, I am so pumped right now. I can't believe I just did that.
Crates, you dare waste Mr. Zircon's time with crates?
Man, this is Zircon, shut up. You know what? Nothing you say can hurt me. Oh, battery low. Mr. Zircon, nothing you say can hurt me because I'm so happy. Okay? Today is a good day for me. Today is a good day for me. You know that? Alright. Oh, this can't plug the charger in. There we go. Battery should be charging now. Now let's go. Oh my god, I can't believe I did that. Like, it's such a big deal about it.
Our security lasers
Oh.
will keep you from going any further.
Ow. What'd you say about that?
Hey, security laser guy! You said that was your best work. To HR, your final paycheck.
Ah! She got fired.
I want that lump back. Dead! And bring me the defect. I'll have it recycled into something useful. Like a station, or one of those white noise machines you fall asleep.
Some nanotech.
Oh, Mr. Zircon, help me out. Help me out here. Help me out.
Do you know how to be killed? Allow Mr. Zircon to give you your first
Go.
lesson.
Go. There we go. Oh, that's my own minions. What? Oh, they all exploded. All right. I need some nanotech though. Can I like get any
Mr.
nanotech?
Zircon is bored.
Zircon, you know what I am? I'm about to die.
Deplanetizer power levels at 95%.
What? Last time I heard it was at 5%.
Come on, we're almost to the bridge.
Oh, guys, just prepare yourselves because it's gonna be a cutscene and yeah, it's gonna skip because that's what it's been doing. It's been skipping cutscenes. Oh, I didn't even have to spend all that money. Or forget. So yeah, just keep that in mind. And I'm gonna upgrade some weapons. All right. What do I do? Oh. Yeah, what do I do? What? Oh. No. Yeah. There's no way to exit this area.
He's headed for the
Oh!
Firecracker
Oh,
terminal.
that scared me
Stop
for a
him at
second.
once.
Holy cow, that's a lot of tank.
Mr. Zircon, go! Grenades, go! Can I send out Mr. Zircon?
Planetizer fully powered and ready to fire. Awaiting orders from Chairman Drek.
Ratchet, you have to shut it down.
Legendary and Star Cracker Turbine.
Just need some ammo.
So long, stupid idiots.
Give me some bolts.
Mr. Zircon has returned with a vengeance. Mission complete.
Oh, I died! Dang it! I was aiming! I was aiming so I could take them down.
He's headed for the Star Cracker Turbine. Stop him at once.
First, Mr. Zircon. Okay, and then send out my Glove of Doom. Okay. Then I send out Fusion
Wow,
Beam.
that's a lot of things.
Boop! 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 Mr. Zircon, level up. Oh, I get a protege! I get a little Mr. I got Zircon Jr. Oh, that's like a dope. Where's my ammo? Thank you, my good sir. Thank you, my good sirs.
Reinforcements.
Zircon Jr. Oh yeah, baby.
Powered and ready to fire. Awaiting order
That's so cute.
from Chairman Drek.
Ratchet, you have to shut it down.
Legendary and Star Cracker Turbine.
Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Boop! 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 Oh! Boop! 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 Son! Go, Glove of Doom! Zircon Jr. Oh, I died! Dang it, I jumped out too quick. I should have waited. Oh, no, I forgot to put my ammo.
Weapons here! I got weapons! That's how you make a great weapon even better!
He's headed for the Star Cracker Turbine. Stop him at once.
Holy cow, that's a lot of things. Dog reinforcements.
Planetizer fully powered and ready to fire. Awaiting orders from Chairman Drek.
Ratchet, you have to shut it down.
Legendary and Star Cracker Turbine.
important.
Oh, I died. What? But I put the what?
Oh, have I got something for you? Oh, wicked. Now you're almost too powerful.
Dang it.
He's heading for the Starcracker terminal. Up. Him at once.
Holy cow, that's a lot of tanks.
God, man, it's so annoying. Keep killing you guys. It's a massacre! Nah, but I'm straight up about to die though.
You have to shut it down.
Do not let him near that Starcracker terminal.
Hey, man! Hey, man! Hey! What? Let me back up. Oh! No! I thought I dodged it! Unfairity.
He's heading for the Starcracker terminal. Up him at once.
Holy cow, that's a lot of tanks.
I got this one. What? Okay.
Ratchet, you have to shut it down.
Do not let him near that Starcracker terminal.
What? Okay. Okay, I said okay, I get it, Drac. For the 4th time, I said okay. Dude, these people keep telling me stuff. Okay! Please! Just let me call this straight. You guys keep distracting me when you keep telling me to be like, let me target. Okay! Why you guys gotta repeat the same stuff to me when you know I'm smart? I'm a big, see, I'm smart. And I'm a winner. I'm a winner, I'm a winner, I'm a winner. That's why you guys are dead now. Oh, I got this.
Just open.
Take a Groupatron.
Okay, enough tanks already.
Let's go, baby. Go, you little maniacs. Go attack them. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh!
Nicely done. You should be able to access the Starcracker room and shut down the planetizer.
Okay. Here we go, people. Probably gonna skip a cutscene. Dang! I knew it. They were gonna do that. They skipped the scene. They skipped a good scene too. All right. Guess I have no idea what happened to you.
It's good to have you back, Ratchet.
Thanks, Ilaris. What's the latest?
I managed to decrypt Nefarious's files from Drek Industries. Bad news. His next target is Umbris.
The core of Umbris is pure tetragen. Detonating it would be disastrous. According to the Solanus celestial calendar, there is a major conjunction of every planet in the system tonight. If Umbris is destroyed, it will take the entire system with it.
Dr. Nefarious has just been using Drek. He wants the system destroyed under the Ranger's watch.
I have a plan to destroy the deplanetizer for good, but this time we'll need to take a more covert approach. I'm going to need a few things first. Head to the Gadgetron headquarters on Calibo 3, and I'll send you further instructions.
Maybe we can get one of those hollow guys from Gadgetron HQ.
Alright. Well, like I said, I thought that was totally gonna be I thought that was gonna be close to the last one. You can't even go back on the deplanetizer anymore. Oh no, Valis. Alright, guys. There's something missing here. Belden, Kerwin, Iridia, Beauregard, Nebula, Gasper, Battaglia, Pocataru, Cortu, Calibo. I don't think anything's missing.
Well, there's not much to do back home. The Blarg are all cleared out of Kerwan. With Skid gone, there's not much left to do on Iridia.
Yeah, whatever happened. Yeah. Alright, remember we went to Navalis like episode 2 ago and there's nothing there? Well, look! Navalis is no longer there. Here's why. Because the deplanetizer, yeah, Ratchet didn't make it, or Ratchet just barely made it, tried to set it off, but then whatchamacallit, Drek captured him. Then they found out, they saw Quirk there, and Captain Quirk betrayed the Rangers and went to the bad side, and then showed Navalis being destroyed. Everyone was evacuated, but Navalis was destroyed, so no more Navalis. What else was there? Oh yeah, they showed the prison with Quark and that one guy, and yeah, and they showed how Ratchet went home and just given up, but now Ratchet decided to get back in the game because of Clank. Clank convinced him, and yeah. God, I really need to fix something about this stupid scene thing. Anyway, I think that's all for this episode. I'm really tired and bored. So, thank you all very much for staying tuned and not just leaving, because that would be a waste of my time and I would hate that. I'm gonna start a new game series. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Goodbye.